Mga boss, it's lecture time. Dito nyo talaga makikita kung gaano kagaling na abogado itong si Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Dito mga boss, ang kalaban niya dito ay si Senator Kiko Pangilinan. The difference between surrender and extradition. Panoorin natin to mga boss.
First of all, what is the difference between surrender and extradition? Except for the spelling, Mr. President.
I'm sorry, Mr. President. I was clarifying with the indulgence of the senator.
Yes.
What was the?
Ano po yung pagkakaiba bukod sa spelling ng extradition at surrender in the context of Republic Act 9851?
Iron law is a law applicable to the Philippines. And it's between the state and its citizens as well as other parties, while the extradition treaty is a treaty between two states. So surrender or extradition will take different meanings given these three or four different how do you call it, rules. So rules on extradition proceeding will be is defined thereat, while the international humanitarian law in terms of surrender under that law will also be defined by the provisions of that law.
I'm sorry, Mr. President, if I will disagree. Yung extradition, mabagal po yun. Yung surrender, mabilis. Kaya po nang ginawa kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte.
Pahiya si Senator Kiko Pangilinan dito kay Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Ang talino talaga nito, boss. Yung taong ito. Ang haba-haba ng paliwanag ni Senator Kiko. What is the difference between surrender and extradition? Ang haba-haba ng paliwanag niya. Ang iksi lang naman pala. Extradition ay mabagal. Surrender ay mabilis. Ganyan daw ang ginawa nila kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Boom! Tagos. Tagos ang tinamaan. Sa pool ang mga mga boss, kung sino ang may gawa nun. Ang galing, ang husay talaga nito, Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Isa din ba kayo sa bumoto sa taong ito, mga boss? Deserve nito na nasa Senado siya. Ang galing. Grabe. Tablado na naman si Kiko. Ay, nako, Kiko.